For a long time, users have been waiting for the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G Android 12 update to be released. Recently, the Android 12 update was made available in 3 regions: Europe, India and global. So, which areas are excluded from the release of this update? How far along is the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G Android 12 update for these areas? So watch this video fully without skipping any part, because we have shared everything in this video that you need to know. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G is one of the most used smartphone variant. Of course, we are aware of this wide usage of this model. It features a 108 megapixel quad camera setup, a 6.67 inches 120Hz AMOLED display and a Snapdragon 695 chipset. Users are very interested in the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G because it has some unique features. This model, which receives a lot of attention, is frequently questioned about the Android 12 update. The Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G Android 12 update that were released to global, India and Europe have helped to cover questions, but other areas have not yet received this update. The Android 12 update has not yet been made available in the region of Indonesia, Turkey, Japan, Russia and Taiwan. However, the Indonesian region was the first to receive the Android 12 update, but due to heavy works, this update was rolled back. Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G Android 12 update will be rolled out to MI Pilot first. If no bugs are found, it will be accessible to all users. When it is released, you will be able to download Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G Android 12 update via MIUI downloader. Link is under the description. So that's it for today in this video. Don't forget to subscribe us for more techie news. Share this video to your friends. Thanks.